Hi, this is Brandon from Iron Edison. Tonight we are going to look at SD card data logging within the Outback Power MATE3 system controller. There's our Outback Radian MATE3. Sorry if it gets a little shaky. We're going to do some handheld tonight. For the lock, we'll select 141 as the password. Press the enter button. Then we will go press the lock button to get into settings. Scroll to MATE3. Look at that, you can see just so much better. Select MATE3 by pressing the center wheel. Then we're going to go to, guess what, data logging. Second choice, data logging. Internal data log write interval. So we're going to keep this at 300 seconds, 5 minutes for internal data log writing. But here's the most important part that I want to show everybody this evening. SD card data logging mode disabled. Well, that's not super helpful for diagnostics. We're going to come down, change this. I click the button, spun the wheel, select Excel, which is a very popular spreadsheet. We can use Excel or upload to Google Sheets. We can use a write interval. We got to be realistic here. 10 seconds, maybe even a minute, but let's go with 30 seconds. It'll give us a good idea of what's going on. And then I'm going to retain several days of data within the MATE3. So let's see if we can get up to the last 30 days. That'd be fantastic. Excellent. That's all we have to do. Going to go back up to the top. And now we have locked in data logging directly on the MATE3 system controller for the Outback Power system. You can find the SD card would be inserted right over here. Look at that. That looks empty. So we're going to go find ourselves an SD card, pop it in, start data logging as we test some batteries. I hope this video has been helpful. Short and sweet, data logging using Excel format with the Outback Power MATE3 Radian Flex Max charge controller. Super cool.